Proven steps to affiliate marketing success. Hey there, future affiliate superstar. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, today I'm breaking down the 10 proven steps that will help skyrocket your success in affiliate marketing. Grab a pen and notepad, because this is the kind of video you'll want to rewatch. If you are just starting out or have been doing affiliate marketing for some time, following these 10 steps will help improve your chances of success. Step 1. Choose the right niche. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. Focus on something you're passionate about and that has strong demand, like health and fitness, making money online, beauty, tech, or personal development, etc. The more focused your niche, the more trust and credibility you build. A focused niche leads to increased trust, which in turn results in more sales. Step 2. Select high-converting affiliate programs. Look for programs with solid commission rates, 20 to 50% plus, a great product market fit, reliable tracking and payouts, and strong marketing resources. What are some excellent platforms for affiliate marketing? Consider using platforms such as ClickBank, Digistore24, Awin, CJ Affiliate, or even high-ticket private programs like Amazon Associates. Step 3. Create value-driven content. Affiliate success isn't about pushing links, it's about providing value. People don't want to be sold, they want to be helped. Use blog posts, YouTube videos, social media reels, and email tips to solve real problems your audience is facing. Remember, help first, sell naturally, deliver content that solves problems or educates while naturally recommending affiliate products. Step 4. Build an email list. Here's a powerful truth. The money is in the list. The money is the list. Create a freebie to be used lead magnets like an ebook or checklist, or mini courses, to collect emails. Next, establish trust by using automated email sequences to engage your subscribers and present affiliate products that address their pain points. Step 5. Master one traffic source first. Don't overextend yourself. Don't try to be everywhere at once. Start by mastering one traffic channel. Pick one platform, whether it's SEO blogging, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook groups, or Pinterest. If you're ready to invest, consider using paid ads and focus on mastering one platform before expanding. Consistency on one platform beats being average on 5. Step 6. Use landing pages and funnels. Don't just send traffic directly to affiliate links. Create and build a simple funnel like landing page with a lead magnet, thank you page, and bridge page that introduces the product or the affiliate offer. The resulting page builds trust, increases conversions, captures leads you can market to later, and boosts your business. Step 7. Track, test, and optimize. If you're not tracking, you're guessing. Use tools like Google Analytics, ClickMagick, or Systeme.io to monitor what's working. Track what links are working. Test your headlines, buttons, calls to action, formats, images, and more, and double down on what converts. Step 8. Be honest and transparent. Don't trick people into clicking. Your reputation matters. Be upfront by disclosing affiliate links and only recommend products you believe in and trust. Trust builds loyalty, and integrity builds long-term relationships with your audience. Loyal followers actually buy from you. Step 9. Stay consistent. Success won't happen overnight, but stick to a content schedule, because consistency compounds. Keep posting, keep learning, keep creating, and keep optimizing. One blog, one video, and one post at a time add up. Consistency is key, especially when building organic traffic. Step 10. Keep learning, prospecting, and networking. Affiliate marketing is constantly evolving. Constantly strengthen your skills with Keye Academy. Keye, keep educating yourself. Follow top affiliate marketers and stay ahead of trends so you can grow with the industry, not behind it. Take courses. Become a free or VIP member today. Follow the pros and join our free communities with weekly meetings. The link to join is provided in the description, and regarding our advanced bonus tip quality content wins. To earn extra income from affiliate marketing, you must create quality content and consistently engage with your audience by answering their questions. Be clear and provide them with detailed information, but in a way that is accessible, helpful, and engaging. If you got value from this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips that actually work. Drop your favorite takeaway below, or let me know which step you're going to focus on first. Until next time, keep building, keep testing, and stay consistent. Success is just one click away.